So if someone has like it's an insurance thing. For example, if we can't do this because insurance won't pay for it or whatever,
Sure.
the expectation is never going to be that the hospital or the community just eats the money, because we know that's not possible as well.
Yeah.
What are your solutions when those things come up? Like, okay, we've pulled back all the layers of the onion here, and it's coming down to we're not able to get paid to do the right thing. What is your solution for that typically?
Oftentimes when we've had patients that have had a complex type of insurance, or, if they don't have the funds to be able to live somewhere, like if our community was asking for, let's say, for example, like 2 years of private pay funds up front, like you said earlier. If I see a family is already going to struggle with that insurance piece of it and they're not going to get the coverage they need, or they're already going to be lacking in the funds, again, it goes back to that conversation of let's find a community that can meet your financial needs, will take your insurance, and we help them navigate that process. Because I would, like we've said, a lot of communities are okay taking someone for the short temporary period of time, running through their funds or assuming the insurance will cover it all, to find out they won't, and then they have this huge bill. So we need to do that work up front to educate on the financial and the insurance piece of it too, because a lot of families, that's the other piece. Insurance is something I would have never guessed I would have to be so well versed with in my role. But people are petrified of it and they don't understand what their coverage looks like, whether they're traditional Medicare, an HMO plan, or Medicaid, it doesn't matter. People are not well versed with it. And so much of our jobs have to be about educating about insurance too.